What is up guys? It's your Bam. Another day, another lift. So for today's session, leg day tayo. And start na tayo ng ating warm up and then stretching. Ito, recently ko lang ginawa ito and big game changer siya. Foam roller. After some time, nakapag legs na ulit. Parang 2 beses na tayo nakapag-skip ng leg day. And let's see kung kaya pa natin i-push yung usual weight na ginagawa natin. Dito pala sa part na to, naramdaman ko na yung init. Dito ng ating vlog. And hoping na i-push ko na maayos tong video na to. And sa tingin ko naman may ipoproceed ko naman na maayos yung clips wala, kaya mas gusto kong elevated yung paa ko sa ginagawa kong to para mas maikik tsaka mas ma-stretch ko ng ayos na hindi ko na para isipin na sumasahid yung paa ko sa sahig. Simula nung nakakita ko yung gains ko sa legs, mas na-appreciate ko na siya. And dun mo nga rin masasabi na progress takes time, kasi plus work and dedication, results will follow, you know. Kasi kung nag-expect lang ako ng something good will happen kung wala rin naman akong ginagawang effort para doon, nothing will happen. And yeah, it's a reminder na lang din sa akin na hindi ko man nakikita yung progress ngayon, maybe some other time. Para sa ating first workout, machine squat. Tingnan natin kung kaya ko ba maka 10 reps dito sa 150. And then let's see kung kaya ko pa siya. Bigat siya. 5. That's 4. Come on. 7. That's 3. That's 2. Come on. Last one. Come on. Alright. Survive ko siya. For my next workout, leg press. Let's see kung makakapag 8 to 10 reps tayo. Focus tayo sa form, sa execution. Let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 3. 8. 9. Last one. Proceeding dito sa next workout natin para sa legs, seated hamstring curl. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Last 2. 11. Last one. Every week it's getting hard. Actually, every day. Let's go. Ito, punta tayo sa next. Leg extension naman tayo. Second to the last leg workout. 6 7. Let's go. 8. Full stack, baby. Let's go. 10. Last one. 11. So for this last workout, the legs, finish our calf raises. Let's go. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 last one 10 20 reps. Oh man. So check na tayo ng leg pump. Lubusin ko na rin habang wala mo masyadong tao. Looking thick. So for the first ab workout, cover crunch. Some say 10 reps of yes man. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's one.
Kung umabot ka na dito sa point ng vlog na ito, gusto ko lang sabihin na maraming salamat sa panonood, pag-react at pag-share ng video ito. Comment down below kung anong gusto nyong makitang content next video.
So for the last ab workout,
Big shoutout to
side
Van Jose Pablo,
crunches.
Sean Jomuel, Aaron Gabriel, and Ledrick Lino. Also sa mga nag-share, comment, and react sa ating vlog nung upper day. Thank you sa inyo guys. You the best.
Three, 4, 5. That's one. And there you go. Doon nagtatapos ang ating leg workout. See you on the next lift. Bam lift out.